It's the cars, it's the people, it's the vibes, it's the atmosphere, it's everything.
Campfest for me is one of the largest shows in South Africa right now.
I'm Jamie Arm from Paulstown, Pennsylvania. Campfest, to me, is one of the biggest, most vibrant gatherings for Volkswagen enthusiasts in the world. But really, it's about the people, the passion.
Campfest, to me, it's the memories you make.
It's about the people you meet, the friendships that you form over time.
A gathering of like-minded people that come together to celebrate one brand, and that is the VW brand and everything attached to it. Whether you be rocking an Audi, a Lambo or a Porsche, all those extended cousins, uncles and nieces in the same family. SA Campfest.
SA Campfest.
SA Campfest.
SA Campfest.
SA Campfest.
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 SA Campfest.
Everybody tryna say me, what the fuck is that we're saying? Touch that holy water, start to burn up like I'm Satan. You can never hate me like I hate me, that's a fucking promise. With my mom and dad for once, just please be honest. Walking around with my bad knife, praying to a glass pipe. Chewing fentanyl, wishing that it'd be my last bite. Mentally I'm suffering, emotions that I struggle with. Feeling that I'm not enough for drama when I was a kid. I'm shedding tears as I'm singing this. Blow my head off and I think me in the finger frame. In my everything you dreamed of me as a kid. Used to love the pieces just to play with as you wish. Oh, I'm so sick of fucking faking. Taking medication, only time will be the pain. Oh, stay the fucking way, stay the fucking way, stay the fucking way, stay the fucking way. Running in my bottom, this shit on the bottom. Promises to change, make my face my lips are solid. Strangers in my hollow. You never love someone, but what the fuck is getting touched?
Body back, poly. Now I want start dialing. Keep dirty ring like Robin. Really big box of styling. See me man step like Batman. Just know that I'm robbing. Just know that I'm mobbing. Just left church, I'm wildin'. Run around Rolex diamonds. Crack my Rolex diamonds. She don't wanna leave, she robbing. I just left church, I'm wildin'. She was at the crib living out in the city. Keep it a I don't need it. It's fake, stomach is real. It's really big, it's not a big deal. I never told nobody, but saying nobody just tell you I will. You know my friend, I don't fake it, I never. Young nigga rapping some mates in my jello. Two icy chains on top of my sweater. This is success of my ladies and covers. I come around, just put us together. If I'm messing with her, I'm making her better. She wanna come for a drink, I love her. She from the hood, I can take her wherever. No talking no cause, I ain't making no statements. I bought the cash, I ain't making no payments. I gave it to DJs and they never played it. Except for the hood, and the thing. I strike for my record, always checking. She didn't put me in happy for that. Praying hands, I'm all protected. Bitch, I'm a go. All the way Chevy. You dirty one like Robbie. Background, Rolex, diamonds. Biggie, big blocks, and styling. Background, Rolex, diamonds. You dirty one like Robbie. Background, Rolex, diamonds. Backshot, golf, box, silent. You dirty one like Robbie. Big blocks, and styling. Body bag, pollen. Now I won't rest out down. You dirty one like Robbie.
Why should I keep jugging all these broke boys? Putting them all behind ice concealed broke boy. I can't even kick it with these broke boys. He ain't gonna buy a pack of seal broke boy. Bitch, I'm going through the sack cause I'm no broke boy. And up the check on these broke boys. Put some bands on your neck and have to murder boy. Bitch, I'm ballin' on these niggas ballin'. Bitch, I'm ballin' on these niggas. First they hate, ain't so pussy. Don't cross your partner pussy. That's so pussy, fussy, pussy. Wait, always talking about it now. Still ain't never shook. I'm a real nigga from the black can't overlook. 1500 nigga tryna come and book me. Nigga gonna fucking book. Keep the chop on me, my grandma watching me. Hey, fuck my Jesus piece, I might squeeze a piece. Whole lot on my way, I'm tryna flood the streets. Hey, and I'm on the snake, I won't make it sing. Nigga front on me, I'ma make it sing. Run up in this shit, run up in this shit. Hey, all these big white Benz, roof up, still on this goop. Hey, 3 grand, boot block, high spot, car, got some hoes, go to Lennon Square. Might just go icy my wrist, might just go call me some squares. Keep a small circle, I can fuck with squares. Hey, I had to get it high, got it, nigga, life ain't fair. Hey, split the lean all on my kiss and got another pair. Hey, I say fuck on 2 hoes, man, I got another pair. Dang. Bro boy,
What are we at? Run up, make your freeze frame. I hold the heat. Now run that dope lane, and I want them keys. What's up with that cheese, man? That's what I need. That money come, money go, like these hoes, man. I'm not no dummy, got the 20 gauge like Kurt Cobain. I pop your tummy, knock you bloody, take your urban change. These thoughts so slutty, sucky, fuck you with the thirst for fame. I drop it dirty, suck a sussy, then I swerve a man.
What's up with that weed, man? We want these hoes, man. That's what I need. What's up with that weed, man? We want these hoes, man. These hoes, man.
I talk a neat gang, now she want the D. But I stay broke, man, so I click delete. Made a new IG, that bitch a freak. Don't want the HIV, that ain't no joke, man. She got some ass, she fast, her body for the streets. I got the cash and mask, Kakashi on the creep. I got panache, bitch ass niggas, they want the beef. I want to whip some ass, nigga, don't want no meat.
We want these hoes, man. Check this shit out.
Lil body, buck built like a tool pig. I don't know karate, but I still leave you toothless. When I introduce this, fist a cup and two wig. When I see you suck a motherfuckers, all I wanna do is beat ya, 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 hating nigga talk shit, knock your wig back. Anger in a pimp, you done started a mishap. Claim you hit a lick, but I know you ain't did that. Say you with the shit, let it blow when it click clack. But you kept it stay line, rapping to the baseline. If I catch him licking, I'ma slap him with the beige line. Snatch him like a grapevine, drag him through the grapevine. It's the dancing dragon out and tripping throwing gang signs. Weak ass nigga, I'ma send you to the ER. Ski mask killer, finna hit you for a remark. Smack you like an ass bitch, act like a retard. Grab you by your tracks, kiss brass from my finger. Act like you know, or get jacked for your skull. Crack every bone in your ass like a hoe. Snatch all your clothes, you a snack for the crows. Dance with your nose in the back on the floor. Beat ya, 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 beat ya.
we a little misguided. Keep looking, but we still can't find it. So go ahead, baby, just ride it. You know me, you've been solid. I'm here till you find a new body. I'm here till you find a new hobby. I don't get emotional, no more. Fuck me like you love me, don't call no more. Put them in above me while I'm gone. Guess I was only meant to see you later on, no more. Don't put my name in your phone, no. I don't feel the way I'm grown. Only feel it when I get home, no. That way it ain't really known. Play me like an Xbox, treat me like a rest stop. I don't even know where you're going. Been working in a sweatshop, waiting on the text box. I just cannot be alone. I can't call you home, but I'll ask you to come over. Now it won't be long until me and you can feel closer. Baby, go ahead, ride it. On a trip, you a good co-pilot. Seems like we a little misguided. Keep looking, but we still can't find it. So go ahead, baby, just ride it. You know me, you've been solid. I'm here till you find a new body. I'm here till you find a new hobby. I don't get emotional, no more. Fuck me like you love me, don't call no more. Put them in above me while I'm gone. Guess I was only meant to see you later on, no more. Don't put my name in your phone, no. I don't feel the way I'm grown. Only feel it when I get home, no. That way it ain't really known. It's a lot of shit I won't say to ya. Easier for me to say screw ya. Got a lot on your plate, now do ya. Transparent, I can see right through ya. Got a lot of bags with you from back home. You ain't tryna save face while your mask on. You ain't tryna stay in place, you a bulldozer. You finish at the job and run me right over.